Ang dami ko pang stock ng egg whites sa freezer ko, kaya nag-isip ako ng mga pwede kong gawin na recipe using egg whites. Well, actually marami akong naisip. And itong gagawin natin is magiging base ng ating gagawing cake today. Ang gagawin natin is rainbow cake. And usually, pag ginagawa ko na rainbow cake before, ang base niya is vanilla cake, which is nasa yellow tone yung color ng base cake niya. So pag ginaluan mo ng ibang food color, parang hindi ganun ka-vibrant yung kinakalabasan ng color niya. So naisip kong i-tweak yung recipe ng vanilla cake natin. So simulan natin. I have here 1 cup of softened butter. Cream muna natin siya with 1 and 1/3 cup sugar. I-cream muna natin para mas mag-lighten yung color ng ating butter. Kasi the more na minimix nyo siya, mas nagla-lighten siya, mas nagwa-whiten yung color ng butter. So scrape lang natin and then we add the rest of our wet ingredients. We have 1/4 cup of milk. And then lagyan na rin natin yung ating 240 grams ng egg whites or katumbas ng 8 egg whites. 2 pack ng Greek style yogurt ng Pascual, vanilla flavor. Then mix lang natin ulit. Just mix until well combined and then add na natin yung ating 1 tablespoon ng baking powder and then 2.5 cups ng all-purpose flour. And mix. So ito yung natimpla nating cake batter. So gagawin natin, i-divide natin into 6 equal portions ng cake. So yung ating cake batter, tumimbang siya ng 1,342 grams. Each color ng ating rainbow cake, titimbang siya ng 223 or round off na natin 224 grams per color. And then meron tayo ditong different colors ng food gel. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng liquid food coloring. So start muna tayo dito sa yellow, pinaka-light color. Ang gagawin nating pan dito is 6-inch na merong parchment paper. So, transfer na natin. Pan number 2, transfer natin. Spread lang natin yung ating cake batter. Ito yung mga nagawa nating cake batter for our rainbow cake. We have the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. So low and slow ang gagawin natin, meaning low temperature, slow time yung baking time. So 150 to 160 degrees Celsius, kailangan nakaprito yung oven nyo. And bake natin for 25 to 30 minutes. But always do a toothpick test. Ipopoke siya ng toothpick pag tanggal nyo ng toothpick or barbecue stick or kung meron kayong cake tester. Pag clean na siya, wala na siyang sumabit na crumb, luto na yung ating cake. So, low temperature lang para hindi mag-dome yung ating cake. Okay, ito na yung ating mga na-bake na cake natin for our rainbow cake. And then yung gagamitin kong frosting dito sa ating rainbow cake, nag-whip lang ako ng ating non-dairy cream paste. Yung brand na ginamit ko is ACC Whipping Cream. And this is not sponsored by the way. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng milk, in-adjust ko lang siya para sa consistency na gusto ko for the frosting. So, palamigin lang natin completely yung ating mga cake and then mag-assemble na tayo. Okay, ready na tayo mag-assemble ng ating rainbow cake. Napalamig ko na siya. We'll start with purple or violet. As you can see, maganda yung pagka-bake ng ating cake. Oh. Wala siyang dome. Maganda dito, hindi na kailangan mag-trim. Basta i-bake nyo lang siya Low temperature 150 to 160 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Finally, yung ating red. Look at that. Ganda. Ganda ng pagka-rainbow niya. So, i-crumb coat lang natin muna ng ating whipping cream. Then, lagyan na lang natin ng sprinkles dito sa gilid. More sprinkles on top. Look at that! This is our rainbow cake. Try na natin yung ating rainbow cake. Definitely, magugustuhan ng mga bata. It's buttery, not too sweet. It's moist. Soft yung pinaka-cake. Masarap siya. Kung may mga request yung mga kids nyo na gumawa kayo ng rainbow cake, try nyo itong ating white cake recipe. Tinweak lang natin yung vanilla cake recipe natin. Tinanggal natin yung egg yolk. Ang maganda kasi kapag white na yung ating base color ng ating cake batter, wala na tayong problema kahit anong kulay yung gamitin natin. And pwede rin siyang gamitin sa mga gender reveal cake. Like kung magko-color kayo ng pink or kaya ng blue or light blue color, maganda yung kakalabasan ng cake nyo. Yung frosting natin, pwede yung gamitin any other frosting other than the one that we use, yung ACC whipping cream. Pwede kayo gumamit ng cream cheese frosting, American buttercream, Swiss Merang buttercream, or even white chocolate ganache. So yun ang ating video for today. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and see you next time. Bye-bye!